Style a Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make chicken, pasta, and vegetables together. It is a very delicious yet simple recipe to make. It only takes 30 minutes to cook from the beginning to the end. So please stick around and I'll be back and show you how to make this step by step. Thank you. So we're going to add some salt and pepper and a little bit of paprika to our chicken before we cook it. This is about a teaspoon of salt, so I'll put a little bit more, and then a little pepper and paprika for the color. Stream in some olive oil, just a little bit, because we're gonna put more later on, and just mix this very well. And we are going to start cooking this right away. Start by turning on our stovetop and then put some olive oil. Okay, so we're going to add our chicken. So this will cook about 12 to 14 minutes. Okay, and while our chicken is cooking, I put some water here for our pasta, and we'll wait till it comes to a boil, and then we're going to add our pasta in this. It has been 5 minutes, so we're going to turn this. Of course, this is on a medium to low heat, so you want to cook the chicken slowly. We're going to add salt to this. We're going to add our pasta to the water. Give it a little mix and close the lid. We are not going to throw this away. We are going to make our sauce in this one. So I'll add garlic, tomatoes, mushrooms, of course a little pepper, salt, bell pepper. We're going to put our sauce, Alfredo sauce here. We're going to transfer our chicken back to the sauce mixture. is done. I drained the water. So what I need to do right now, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. I'm going to add some broccoli. Then I'm going to add some Alfredo sauce to this. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to add some chili pepper. It's optional. I just want to give it some color. Looks really good, so that's enough. And then I'm going to add some black pepper and mix it really well. Welcome back, and here's our pasta with our veggies and our chicken with mushrooms and tomatoes and a little bit of bell pepper. It's very creamy and they both look very delicious, so let's see how they taste. The pasta is very rich, very creamy, and same as chicken. The chicken is very tender, juicy, and the sauce is very creamy and very delicious. It is absolutely delicious. And I just made this in 30 minutes, so it's not a lot of work to make this. It's very simple and easy. It's not time consuming. Try this recipe and your family is going to be very happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below and let me know of your suggestions, your comments, and let me know how you make my recipes. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and also turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming recipes. Thank you and see you soon.